Friends, posting every day has never been easier. Stop spending hours searching for inspiration and say goodbye to FOMO. RoboNeo is here to help you create high engagement, viral content in minutes. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we are diving into RoboNeo Web, the trend-savvy social media content creation agent. It's designed to help creators grow their channels fast using ready-to-use viral templates. Whether you're starting from zero, remixing popular formats, or just boosting click-through rates, this tool makes it simple. We'll explore workflow templates and see how to turn a simple idea into a full video with images, motion, and music. I'll also share pro tips for fine-tuning, like generating shot scripts and using the AI outfit changer to tweak characters. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's jump right in. Folks, RoboNeo is a video generator that doesn't require any editing skills or complicated software. When you create a new project, you'll see two options. One is Agent plus Canvas, which is a fast chat-style way to make projects. The other is Workflow, and that's the one we are focusing on in this video. RoboNeo's Workflow is built around nodes. Think of it as one clear step in the content creation process. One node might generate the text, and another turns that text into images. Others refine, transform them into video, and add music to bring everything together. To see what's available, click the plus button to browse all the nodes. You can also use templates if you don't want to start from scratch. It is basically a ready-made workflow, where everything is already connected the right way. You can see how it works, tweak individual steps, or completely reshape it for your own content. Mates, I've opened one of these templates, so we can take a look at how it's put together under the hood. It all starts with text. Here you describe the scene, what the object looks like, the lighting, and all the little details. That text then goes into a text-to-image node, and RoboNeo turns it into an actual image. From there you can tweak it, enhancing details or adjusting the style of the scene. Next up is image to video, where that same text and visuals are used to turn a still picture into a clip. Then we just add background music on top. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Folks, the result is a full promotional video, built step by step, not just with a single prompt. Right now this workflow is set up for croissants, but we could easily turn it into an ad for an AI app. That's what makes this so powerful. It's completely flexible and can be adapted to any scene you want. I have now turned all the text prompts into an AI app ad, so let's run the full flow, friends. We can just select all the nodes and hit run all, and then watch the magic happen. First, an image pops out from the text prompt. I type in a description and ask it to create a modern smartphone in a minimal studio environment. And just like that, the first one is ready. Guys, next, a second picture is generated with enhanced variations and some cool visual effects. You can clearly see the difference. Then the image-to-video node kicks in and turns everything into a video. In each stage, we can pick the model that fits our scene and our goal best. The result comes out looking amazing. We can preview it and see all the highlights, movement, and depth. Finally, the last node adds sound, and just like that, it is complete. Friends, that's the final result. The cool thing is, you can use this same workflow to create completely different videos. For example, I made an abstract one with music just by tweaking the prompts a bit. For consistent, high-quality results, I like to set up a scene with physical objects, good lighting, materials, and motion. It really helps the AI deliver every time. The output turned out incredibly polished, and it can even double your click-through rates. That's why this workflow is perfect for ads, branding, and cinematic-style visuals like these. Alright folks, let's wrap this up. RoboNeo Web isn't just another tool, it's an inspiration engine. Whether you're a creator, designer, or dealing with slow click-throughs, the platform turns your ideas into engaging clips fast. Combine your concepts with viral workflows, and you can deliver new posts in minutes. Templates make it even easier. Just swap the image, tweak a few details, and your next viral video is ready to go. For consistent, high-quality results, set up scenes with real objects, motion, and materials. Generate shot scripts for better control, and use the AI outfit changer to match characters to your vision. Small tweaks like these make a big difference. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and till next time.